Hello everyone, this is Bobo Station. Today I'm gonna print out Beretta pistol gun. I downloaded this model from Thingiverse as always I did, as you can see, and it's made by APUC or APUC, whatever it's read. And its name is Beretta Prop Gun. You can find it easily from the Thingiverse site. And the one model is the whole thing, and the rest of the two are cut in half, as you can see, and then you can stick it each other, and this will look like this. Beretta pistol gun. Okay, let's download it and let's print it out. And then let's open this file from Slicer. Oops, this model is too small. I guess I have to scale it up. So I'm going to scale it up to 1500%. And then now, as you can see, it looks much better. And then I rotate it to X or Y axis to print it more simply. I'm going to rotate it to Y axis 90 degree. Okay, it's all ready. And let's print it out. Alright, it's clearly done, and we have here impressive 3D printer object. And now I'm gonna stick it together with super glue. When you want to stick different parts of this 3D printer object, you can use super glue just like me, especially when you use the PLA filament. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to know how to make 3D printer by yourself, please click here and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.